takeoff.
Plan Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006. Good day, we are ready for startup.
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006, it's an hello, startup is approved, confirm parked and executive jet.
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot startup approved. Whatever. Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006, can you accept the wind of 050 degrees 8 knots for runway 28?
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006.
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006, roger, thank you, taxi to holding position Zulu 1.
Holding position Zulu 1, Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006.
Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006, standby tower 118.1, bye-bye.
Quebec Tower 119.100. Sierra Quebec Foxtrot 006.
Slovak Air Force 006, tower, hello, are you ready?
Fully ready, Flag Air Force 006.
Slovak Air Force 006, action line up, runway 28.
Lining up to X, Flag Air Force 006.
Tropical Foxtrot, frequency change approved, descend up. Slovak Air Force 006, 050 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Flag Air Force 006.
Slovak Air Force 006, contact departure 125.55, bye-bye.
Changing departure 125.55. Thank you. Goodbye, Flag Air Force 006. contact departure, good day.